Hello and welcome to our discussion on 20 positive secrets of the real estate business. Whether you're a seasoned real estate professional or just starting out, these tips will help you succeed in the industry. Let's dive right in. Hello and welcome to Double Z, the channel that explores the exciting world of real estate. In this video, we'll be sharing with you 20 positive secrets of the real estate business that can help you succeed, whether you're a real estate professional or just starting out. From the importance of location to the power of networking, we'll be covering a wide range of topics that are essential for success in the industry. So, whether you're looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate, this video is for you. Let's get started. Number 1, location is key. The location of a property is a critical factor in determining its value. A property located in a desirable neighborhood with good schools, access to public transportation, and other amenities will always be in demand. A property located near a popular tourist attraction or beach will attract interest from buyers or renters. Number 2, networking is crucial. Building a network of contacts is essential for success in the real estate business. Attend industry events and conferences, join real estate groups on social media, and reach out to fellow professionals in the field. A real estate agent could attend local Chamber of Commerce meetings to network with small business owners who may be interested in purchasing or leasing commercial properties. Number 3, stay up to date with market trends. Keeping up with the latest trends and changes in the real estate market can give you a competitive edge. If there is a surge in demand for eco-friendly homes, you can focus on marketing and selling properties with sustainable features. Number 4, use technology to your advantage. Technology has revolutionized the real estate industry, making it easier to connect with clients, advertise properties, and streamline transactions. Take advantage of real estate apps, virtual tours, and online marketing tools. A real estate agent could use a virtual tour to showcase a property to potential buyers who are unable to physically visit the property. Number 5, build a strong brand. Building a strong brand can help you stand out in a crowded marketplace. Develop a unique brand identity, use consistent messaging across all platforms, and showcase your expertise and professionalism. A real estate agent could create a professional website and social media profiles to showcase their properties and brand image. Number 6, offer excellent customer service. Providing excellent customer service can help you build a loyal client base and generate positive word-of-mouth referrals. Be responsive, communicative, and transparent throughout the buying or selling process. A real estate agent could provide timely updates to a client on the progress of their home sale or purchase. Number 7, develop a niche. Developing a niche can help you differentiate yourself from competitors and focus on a specific market segment. You could specialize in luxury properties, commercial real estate, or vacation rentals. A real estate agent who specializes in luxury properties could focus on marketing their listings to high-end buyers or investors. Number 8, collaborate with other professionals. Collaborating with other professionals, such as mortgage brokers, lawyers, and home inspectors, can help streamline the buying or selling process and ensure a smooth transaction for all parties involved. A real estate agent could refer their clients to a trusted mortgage broker who can help them secure financing. Number 9, emphasize the unique features of a property. Emphasizing the unique features of a property can help it stand out in a crowded marketplace. If a property has a stunning view or a historic feature, highlight these features in your marketing materials. A real estate agent could emphasize a property's unique features, such as a large backyard or custom kitchen, in their property listings. Number 10, be flexible and adaptable. The real estate market is constantly changing, and it's important to be flexible and adaptable. Be open to new ideas and strategies, and don't be afraid to pivot if a certain approach isn't working. If a particular marketing campaign isn't generating leads, a real estate agent could switch to a different marketing approach. Number 11, use social media effectively. Social media can be a powerful tool for connecting with potential clients and promoting your brand. Use platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn to showcase your properties and share industry insights. A real estate agent could share photos of their latest listing on their social media profiles to generate. Number 12, use social media effectively. Social media can be a powerful tool for connecting with potential clients and promoting your brand. Use platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn to showcase your properties and share industry insights. A real estate agent could create a Facebook page to showcase their properties and share information about the local real estate market with potential clients. Number 13. Focus on quality over quantity. While it's tempting to take on as many clients and properties as possible, it's important to prioritize quality over quantity. Focus on building long-term relationships with clients and providing personalized service. A real estate agent could focus on building relationships with a smaller group of clients who are more likely to refer them to others in the future. Number 14. Understand the legal and regulatory landscape. Understanding the legal and regulatory landscape of the real estate industry is crucial for success. Stay up to date on zoning laws, property tax regulations, and other relevant regulations. A real estate agent could stay informed about changes in local zoning laws and property tax rates that may impact their clients. Number 15. Offer financing options. Offering financing options, such as rent to own, can make it easier for potential buyers to purchase a property, especially if they don't have the necessary funds to make a down payment or qualify for a mortgage. A real estate agent could work with a lender to offer a rent to own program for a property. The potential buyer would pay rent to the owner for a set period of time, and a portion of that rent would go towards the down payment when they eventually purchase the property. Number 16. Build a referral network. Building a referral network can help you generate new business and establish trust with potential clients. A real estate agent could partner with local contractors or interior designers and offer their services to clients as part of a home buying or selling package. Point 17. Leverage data and analytics. Using data and analytics can help you make informed decisions and stay ahead of the competition. A real estate agent could use data analysis tools to determine the average home prices in a particular neighborhood or to identify the most popular features among buyers. Number 18. Embrace virtual technology. Embracing virtual technology, such as virtual tours and 3D modeling, can make it easier for potential buyers to view properties from afar. A real estate agent could create a 3D model of a property and use it to showcase the layout and design features to potential buyers who are unable to physically visit the property. Number 19. Focus on education and professional development. Focusing on education and professional development can help you stay up to date with industry changes and improve your skills. A real estate agent could attend seminars or webinars on new marketing techniques or learn new negotiation strategies to better serve their clients. Number 20. Build a strong online presence. Building a strong online presence can help you reach a wider audience and generate more leads. A real estate agent could create a professional website with detailed property listings and market it through social media channels to attract potential buyers. They could also engage with clients and respond to inquiries in a timely and professional manner through social media platforms like Twitter or Facebook. Thanks for tuning in to Double Z, your go-to source for all things real estate. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more exciting content in the future. See you next time on Double Z.